Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to write the function from the graph on this video. I'm going to start with one that's pretty easy, and then I'm going to work a little bit harder. So the first thing that we need to know is that we're always going to be in the form f of x equals the square root of x something something. So the something something is going to come from that starting point. Okay, so I'm going to look at the starting point on x. It's negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means this function moved to the left 6 and up 5. Up 5 goes plus 5 right here. To the left 6 goes plus 6 right here. So that's all that I'm really doing to do that. The last thing that I have to check is this first movement. This first movement should be over 1 up 1. If it goes up more than that, the number goes out front here. But because it's over 1 up 1, I'm not going to put anything out front. So here's another example. I went to the right 3 and down 7. So I'm going to go f of x equals square root x minus 3 minus 7. Now this one, I notice it goes up 2 over 1. So that's a vertical stretch by a factor of 2, which means I'm going to get a 2 in the front. Fairly simple there. This one right here, I started to the right 8. Let me put it on here. To the right 8. Down 5. My change is up 1 to left 1. So that means that I'm reflected across the y-axis. So that means when I'm doing this, it's not going to go out here, it's going to go on the inside. So it's going to be negative here to reflect me across the y. And then it's going to be x minus 8 because I went to the right 8, and minus 5 because I went down 5. This one right here, I'm going to the right 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going down into the right, so I'm reflected across the x-axis, which means it's going to be a negative out front, x minus 1 because it's to the right 1, and plus 7 because it's up 7. So that's it. That's all I'm really doing here.